Hey there, Laurel Beard here with a viewer request video. I'm going to show you where I find all the best storage and organization for my craft room. As always, everything is linked up below in the YouTube description in the order as they appear on the video. So let's just get right to it. First up is OrganizeMore. I adore this company. It's family owned. They are fantastic. The quality of the products, the price of the products, I just love it. First up is my ink storage. This is a 60 pad ink organizer. They have other sizes as well. And this fits all of my inks. Now they come with little feet on the bottom, so you can put them on a flat surface if you want to, but they also come with the mounting hardware. So I just had my husband put this up on my wall for me, and this works brilliantly. I put all of my inks in there, including my distress oxides. I just love it. This is really all I need for my regular sized ink pads. Now this is a mini ink tray storage from OrganizeMore, and this is where I put all my mini ink pads, as you can see here. Also got some washi tape over there to the left. I can fit a lot in here. But not only do I use this mini ink tray organizer for my inks, I also use it for my embossing powders. These embossing powders for WOW fit perfectly in there. I just flip them upside down so I can see the colors of the embossing powder, and this works great for me, and it's also pretty when I open my drawer. Now I do have a video with like my craft room tour, if you will, and I'll link that right up here above in the right hand corner if you want to take a look. This is the Create My Shelf Organizer from OrganizeMore as well, and this is great. It fits right there in the Expedite or Kallax, whatever unit you have for Ikea. It fits right in there, and it's kind of like a tiered shelving system, and you can move some of those blocks around so you can build your own height, if you will. So this is great, and so inexpensive, and I love it. So it comes with 3 tiers, but they also give you blocks that you can stack one on top of the other to build up height if you want to. And you can move them around and put them wherever you want. So I love how customizable it is. And last up from OrganizeMore is this Cubby drawer caddy. These come in different sizes as far as compartments. I've got a 6 count, an 8 count, a 12 count, and yeah, I love it. They are made to fit right inside the Alex drawer units from Ikea, which a lot of crafters seem to have. And I just stuff all kinds of stuff in here. As you can see here, whatever I can make fit goes in there, and they are made to fit. 2 will fit side by side in one of those Alex drawer units. Here's the compartments where I hold all of my pins. So this is the 8 count. And I just love how customizable it is. I love how they thought to make things that fit inside Ikea units, since a lot of crafters have them, but not everything, is made to fit inside Ikea units, by the way. So don't think that. Now here's one where I actually took out the partitions. As you can see, those little slats there, and I use it as just a tray to hold a bunch of stuff. So you can also remove some of those partitions if you want, and even customize it even more. Next up is Amazon. I love Amazon, to my postman's dismay. I am a Prime member. I have been forever, and I love it. So this is such a pretty pegboard. I just have to tell you, this whole shebang. The pegboard is from Home Depot, and that thing that's holding all of my Nuvo drops and everything, that's a nail polish organizer off of Amazon. I saw this, I can't remember what crafter, but I totally stole this idea from someone else when I saw it in their craft room tour, and I love it. It also makes my room really pop with colors. So it's for nail polish, but who says you got to use it for nail polish, right? So whatever crafter discovered this, God bless you. And then I also use fridge bins organizers that I get off of Amazon to store my cut cardstock, my envelopes, which my cardstock's to the left, my envelopes are to the right, and I also use the same containers to store my stamps. So these guys, you can find them everywhere. I think even Bed Bath & Beyond carries them, but I get mine off of Amazon. Amazon, I just, I love Amazon. What can I say? And now we're up to the end. This is just some shelving I got from Ikea. So if you have an Ikea near you or something like that, you can get, or Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, probably Michael's, anything like that. If you get little shelves that you can mount to your wall, you can really fit a lot of stuff on those too. And you can use it for decor, whatever you want to really brighten up your craft room. And that little pipe thingamabob there, I don't know where I got that. I wish I could remember. Maybe Container Store, maybe Land of Nod. I can't remember, but there's nothing in it, as you can see. So when I moved to my next house, which I'm doing next month. God help me. I'm not going to put that out because I don't really need it. I'm not using it. So anyway, that's it. That's where I get all my organization from. That's, where I find the best quality, the best deals. I'm sure there's a ton more places. And of course, I have a whole bunch of different things in my craft room that organize things. And I really walk you through it in my craft room tour. But just for quick things that I think a lot of you might find helpful. And plus, all these things work if you work out of a very small place or a small area. I think that you might find this helpful. So everything's linked below in the description. Here's a couple of other organizational videos that you might find useful, and I hope you did. Thanks so much for the viewer request. I'm always taking requests. Whatever you guys want to see, I'm happy to do if I'm able to. So if you've got any viewer request videos, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And if you're not a subscriber, click on that right-hand corner and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.